Do you want to share Facebook Reels video? You can share someone Reels on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share a Facebook Reels video. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Reels icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the Reels feed. Browse through the Reels and find the Reel you want to share. Tap the share icon on the right side of the Reel video. A pop-up menu will appear with different sharing options. From here, you can choose to share to your feed, share to your story, send in Messenger, or copy link. Select your preferred sharing option. If you choose to share on your feed or story, you can add text, stickers, or captions if needed. Finally, tap the share button. The selected Facebook Reel will now be shared with your friends or followers.